Ay, paluwayo din na nag-iisip na. Paluwayo daw. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Hi, Sheryl. Hi, Ray Miller. Oh my God, very long time no here. How are you? How are you? Good morning, Sheryl, my love. Hi, my love. How are you? I miss you. My love, Mike. I miss you. How are you? Hello, Mom Cheryl. Sir Fred. Oh my God. I come from Germany. Thank you, Sir Ralph Fassler from Germany. Coffee time. 5:55 p.m. Atlanta, Georgia time. Just getting home from work. 5:30. Early morning. Oh my God. 5:30. 5:55. Okay. You wake up too early. I said, hello, Mom. What the fuck? Hi. Hi, Sir Fred. What the fuck? Not feeling good, cough, nasty chest cold, then staying in bed last day. Huh? He means he works at night. Who works at night? Atlanta, Georgia time, just getting home. Just getting home from work. Okay. Work at night. Not, you take your medicine, my love, Mike. Mike is sick, so he in bed. Okay. So, you feel sick. Maybe too much work. Stress. I make you feel stressed.
Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike.
Oh, it's Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike is not feeling well. O, sino yung Daddy Mike?
Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike.
Sige, one more. Arayaw!
Daddy Mike.
Oh my God. Right. Go take care of him. Hello. I want to take care of him, but how I wish I fly something like that. Travel going there for my love Mike. Hello, Ashley and Baby Jayla. Baby Jayla, Daddy Mike here na. Hoy!
Daddy Mike.
Baby Babang.
Daddy Mike.
Si Flying Kiss Daddy Mike. One more. Maabot na si Dan. Hi, nice to meet you, Rogie Boy.
Ito, ayun. Ayun.
Oo.
Para ako unod. Ayun na lang.
Pwede man yung
Dapat
maswara.
pag-abot lang dahil nagpapasmos ako.
Oo. Oh my God. And hi, children. Nice to meet you. See you. Thank you. Nice to meet you too.
Ito, kaya sila.
Tagan mo ako. Akin na to. This is me. Where's my kisses? Oh, kiss daddy. Si Sir Fred. Kiss Sir Fred. Kiss Sir Fred. Kiss mo muna si Sir Fred. One more. 6 weeks and counting
Ay,
soon.
Taya.
Ha?
Ay, Taya.
Dili Taya. O, si Daddy Mike ko. Miss you, Daddy Mike. Sabi na. Nana, sabihin mo kay Daddy Mike.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Give us 100 likes, like, and subscribe. Thank you, Timothy. Thank you for the likes. 6 weeks to go. See you soon.
Thank you, Mike. Si Daddy Mike yan. Daddy Mike? Oo, si Daddy Mike yan. Nakakulay yellow.
Ano mo, ibutang mo lang doon para utay-utay lang.
dito ka.
Makasawa man.
Daddy Mike.
Makasasawa man ang kurigurad lang. Thank you, kidda. Uy, sabi ni Sir Fred, thank you daw. Anong sagot?
Thank you po.
Sir Fred.
Thank you po, Sir Fred. Itaya.
Di taya. Di taya.
Thank you, Sir Fred.
Oh, anong sasabihin mo, Babang?
Thank you.
Thank you. Ano, bibibili ako! Anday. Ha?
Buksan mo daw.
Akin na to, binigay na niya to sa akin. Daddy Mike, not Grandpa Mike. Yeah. Just Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike not feeling well. He's not feeling well. Too much work. And stress. He felt too much stress.
Sister.
We don't need to give stress, Daddy Mike.
Ah. Ganda.
Sir Fred is finally feeling better. Only allowed to
Tita,
more hours a day.
pinaklit ko. Natanggalan ano. Hiyupon ko.
Oh my God.
Tita, pipap daw.
Pipap, gusto mo sabi? Hindi ko mabuksan.
Ay, Taya?
Di taya.
Ako daw.
Di taya. Give mo kay Tito Lee. Give mo kay Tito. Si Wawali. Kan Wawali. Kan Tito Lee. Mo sabi pabuksan mo kay Wawali. Kan Tito Lulu. Lee. Halika din baba mo kung maadalsuan ka. My God. Sabihin mo dito kan mamay maaya ako sa suman na para basa ka na. Pati mo.
Okay.
Makaon ako. Oo, suman.
Uy. Ikaw na.
Wala ka mo ng pagkaon para basa. Kasi nung sabihin mo kanya mo maaya ako suman.
Bisita ka.
Bisita ka. Nagpasikaso.
Suman.
Wala suman. Bakit wala suman?
Suman. Busla.
Sabihin mo na gugutom ako.
Alaman.
Ha?
Alaman.
Wala. May sabihin mo kan mamay. Nagugutom si Wuwa. Gusto magkaon suman. Come on. Yeah, wife bought me new mower but put time limit a day. Oh, that's good. You don't need to be as stubborn. What happened? Wala.
Be, ako na lang. Be, ako na lang.
Saan ka makuha suman? Sige, kuha na tayo.
Be, ako na lang. Be, ako na lang ha.
The little kids give Sir Fred kisses. Yes, of course. Di go, Grandpa Mike. Oh my God. Grandpa Mike. Akin na lang.
Bebe, nabuksan na ng tita mami. Bebe.
Gagang pa ng dalaw ni Uli.
Be. Bebe, nabuksan na ng tita.
Hindi, nagutang. Danatang ko lang.
Anak na mo.
Nagulong.
Tita na lang.
Hi, Nandy. Wala man.
Ay, gugutom na. Ako daw. Wala na suman.
Wala na. Wala na. Sabihin mo kan mamay. Nagugutom na si
Tita,
Buwa.
inugan mo daw dito.
Din. Talaga.
Ikaw na. Ikaw na paano kumad.
Dili ko aram. Kunain.
Ikaw na suman.
Oh my God. Luluway ko mahuslong ka. Wife is the best. Oh, that's good. Harry busting.
Ay, yung bandol, no?
Suman.
Tapos yung bandol.
Akin na lang to.
No.
No.
Ako. Dito wala man.
Wala man.
Sa amon. Sa amon. Mami, suman. 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 Dito sa may lamig akong nakataklob. Yung man.
Bibiro! Ay, wait ko. Wala nada.
Ibos lang
Ibus na
yan.
lang.
Ano ka mo na yun?
Nagalat si Jen.
Ako naghahanap doon.
Ah!
Ah. Thank you, Sir Fred. Good luck, Mike. Thank you, Sir Fred.
Adi ha!
Ay, thank
Ito na
you.
kasi
Sa
dada.
sarap lang.
Kuha na!
Kuha nga duwa.
Ikaw, bebe! Kasang tingin
Thank
mo sa
you.
lang.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ay! Ay! Happy pa. Hala, may bari-bari na baby.
Bebe ha!
Ano na nga?
Ha?
Cheryl, I thought you was... How I wish. That's my wish. Getting pregnant, something like that.
Baby, oh, pick up mo.
Hi, my beautiful girl. Ah, Jose.
Sorry.
Yan na.
Aray, baby ko. Dito naman ako. Thank you, B. Thank you.
Fred, all the kids are good and like me. Thank you.
Yan, success. Thank you, baby.
The misses you teasing them, the kids.
Ikala ko sa'yo. Ah! Ala. Ay,
May God bless you always. Thank you, Jose. Have a nice good day. Thank you. How many kids you want, Cheryl? 5 kids. I want 5. Hi, Sir Rob. Thank you, Sir Rob.
Kasya kayo yung bili. Pag maano na ba, lumalang niya.
Mike said as many as you want. Yes.
Why did the monkey happy dumpy? Mana ko na doktor si. Takbi ako tatlo, nakatago na kayo.
Ah, thank you. Thank you for the gift. Wonder. Thank you. Thank you so Wonder. Kalazan Gobi. Thank you so much.
Happy dumpy.
Thank you for the gift.
Sabi ako tatlo, nakatago na kayo.
Adi may pakasisinan. Wag buti na lang ng sinigang. O lang? Ano, ayaw na gaway sin karne. Sinigay.
God. Huh? Where, Ashley? Nag-ano?
Itawo, ate.
Ano ginagawa?
Ito na.
Saan? Come here. Come here. Aday ko.
Nagula sulot.
Sulod si Ashley.
Ang puso. Asi.
Ni.
Adulo.
May makita mo yung pig dyan? Makita mo? Pagdaan mo doon, may makikita ka pig. Nanimod bang pig?
Po.
Ha?
Yan. Fiber monkey, happy dumpy. Mana ko ng doktor na doktor si. Pabilang ko tatlo, nakatago na kayo. Subukan yung tumayo. I wanna be a to be a drinker star.
Wow, ang galing.
How
I
could
want
you carabao
lollipop.
di bato? Meow!
Meow. Daddy Mike not feeling well. May sakit si Daddy Mike.
Sakit. Happy birthday to you. Ibi, samahan mo ako.
We belong
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday to you. Sino may birthday day ka? Ako.
sayaw.
Damda. No, birthday ka na dapat. Wah, makamang ka. Kaya sa akin guys. Sa akin guys.
Naglarga na.
Ano naman ito?
Ano kita?
Bye. Bebe ka na. Na.
Nasa one more, sayaw ka ga. Aya, wag yan, wag yan.
Kenta.
Ah,
Kenta. Itatikmin mo to. Inimo ko.
is this your son, no?
Ano? Tita!
May ba?
Tita!
May pa ako.
Ayoko ba?
I heard you guys win the fiesta competition. Yes! We win the pantomima! Yes po.
Tita! Inimo na mo ni Ate Juday. Tita! Inimo na mo ni Ate Juday.
Ano yun?
Is your son, no? They are my... Ah, thank you!
Tita, inimo na mo yung karate kasi ni Ate Juday.
Wow! Paimi! Oh my God!
Inimo na mo ni Ate Juday dito.
Pama na ako dito sila. Nakabayo ako!
Pwede magayo?
Congratulations! Thank you! Nasa
Inimo na mo na. Ate ako! Ate Juday!
Naralo nila ang mga ano.
Mama, sino ba dito? Ate Juday! Ate Ilaw sa'yo.
Sa ako dyan!
Eh,
Anong ka natin?
Yes!
Thank you. Thank you, Sir Fred. I am 49 years old and you, I am 55. She's 22.
Hindi mo yung nakuha.
I'm 55 years old. And I want older than me. I prepared.
hak mo.
Hawak ko. Hawak mo ang beat. Tumot lang.
Takwab.
Imbili ni Ate Juday?
Bili natin mo.
Imbili na daw.
Ito ba?
Sir, nga di mama yun.
Thank you for the like. My wife looks older than me. Huh? No, she's super young. Looks so young and beautiful. Very good.
Timer. Ako na pipak.
Halika, pipak. Ubos na.
Uy, sir, panagin mo kami. Adok sir yun.
Super. So young, you're blind. Yes. No, I'm not blind. My God. Super.
Apa?
Yay, nag-ayok pa ako. Para ubos mo naman yung
Sarang
kahanan dito ka niya. She's 50, I'm 42. What? What the fuck, Sir Fred? My God. Oh my God.
awan nabi ako ko ba akong popcorn.
Lol.
Hindi naglalagay si tita nga.
Pwede man dun bata.
Bawal.
Maano kung si tita mo nga doon? Nakamati bang soup na ka? Dagang luto. May luto pa ako na ano.
Okay, no. 45.64. Yeah, something like that. 64. Fred means he has underwear. 35. Okay. Oh my God, I didn't know. Fred means he has underwear. 45 years old. Oh my God. Get it right, Mike. My unders are 50. Oh my God. I'm gone.
Kaya nga.
Nani? Ikaw na. Hi. Sabi ko kan Ash. Kaya sumo ko si Baby Jayla kung gano'n sa suman. Sabi niya. Sabi ko, Ash. Ano naman ako? Sabi Ash, ano naman ako sumsuman dito? Sabi, kay bisita? Bisita ka?
Sino nagsabi?
Yun si Ash. Kay bisita ka? Bisita? 6 weeks, Ma'am Sheryl. 6 weeks. Oh my God. I miss my love.
Dadalaw ko rin dito.
My underwear is for 72. It still looks like new. What? Oh my God.
May turilo.
Ha? May rin ako.
May kutsara na dito.
Akay dito na
Dito kami nagluto.
Akay.
Makuda, ano pa nito? Waton ang kami magrugi. Makuda. Ito na kami kay. Ano?
Ay, ako.
Lol. Because you never wear them, Kim. Lol.
ako.
Yeah, pingi ako.
Tagalog pa lang daang bahaw. Ano ba ito sa may kinta, oh? Plastic?
Love you, my love, Mike. Miss you. Ups. Pusaka in the house. Hello. Thank you for joining. Hey, Pusaka. You were right. I am underwearless. Where are you from, Sir Kim? Pusaka has a small... Ah!
Nan! Nan! Ay!
Mm.
Ayun pa.
Why you say that, Serpent? You say that? You say the Kwan, Pusaka? Hello, good evening all. Good evening, Pusaka. Pretty soon I will wear diapers. Oh my God. Ah! I am from Victoria, Canada. Thank you, Sir Kim. Sir or Mom Kim? Mom Kim or Sir Kim? Thank you for joining from Canada, Victoria, Canada.
Uy, yun. Oh, talaga mo?
Pusaka told.
Hindi ka pala gati yan. Sa kay mami.
Ayaw, yadi lang ka unang mahalaba. Kaya matikog ka to. Pusaka to. Oh my God, Pusaka. You need to protect your dignity. Told us what? I am from New York, Kim, but retired in Philippines from Sir Fred. Yeah. What dignity, Lula? Never mind. Don't mind. Oh my God, Pusa. I'm a man. Sir Kim, thank you for joining here my live stream on YouTube. Thank you, Sir Kim from Victoria, Canada. What can I do? I'm freaking Asian. Haha. I'm a man except Friday Kim.
Hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye-bye. It's still hot, Pusaka. Hot, still hot there, Pusaka. Here, hot weather here in Bicol. Hello. Hello.
Sino ako? Sino ako? Sino ako?
Are those
Wala,
ano?
Wala,
They are my niece. Sir Kim. My niece. Sir Kim from ano? From Canada. My niece. Sir Fred. Hi, Sir Chris. You know that I have friends injecting something in their dong dong just to make it a big, and it was this. Oh my god, what the fuck? Puro karne yan.
Nauuwi na ako.
Nakadala.
Sarawa pa sa karne.
But has not rained in 2 days. Ah, okay po. Hi, Sir Chris. So you're not gonna inject pusaka? Be right back. Have to UCR. Okay, hon. I'm calling you before you going to rest, hon. I want to see you. Anything better than nothing puseka na infection I rather have tiny dong dong.
Kaya po.
Okay, Mike. What a dong dong. I think a dong dong is one.
Apili.
Ay, talang kaunan mo kasi bawal ka din eh. Yay, uwa, din. Dong dong is, oh, matdagan. Dong dong, ay, oh my god, that's what I think. So I'm right. Oh my god, you don't need to have a big dong dong. Too big is not good. Ew. Kamu na doon pa uli? Akay, makulugan si Kimo Toren.
Uy, ginagawa niya. Ginagawa ka. Kita.
Makulugan si Kimo? Ayun na kayo, makulugan na si Kimo. Kay malakaw ka para yun. Maestro.
Why? Good try. Please, ibigay mo na kay Kuwa. Please, please, kay.
Aday. Ha?
Ang mangko, ibigay mo kay Kuwa.
Hello. Heart of Files. He's Pinoy, no big. It's okay if not that the big.
Dayla.
Glowing hair now, but it's
Dayla, hanapin mo kami.
human.
Hanapin mo.
No worries about big being a small. Oh my god. No air. How about your Olassi serpent? What means Olassi? Cloudy hair but no rain. Yeah, hot here. Osaka. Hot weather here. I never got here. From serpent. Lightning. Hair, no rain. Where are you from? Air Price.
Oh.
Air Price. Air Price.
Sarado pa na niyo.
I meant never had the, okay. Here, hot weather here. In Jana, it's a Earl Price. wasn't there turning the watches there yesterday early from Sir Fred, or not your part of Indiana. Thank you for the likes. Kagayan sa putong mo, baba. No, the kids is, there are my nephew and my niece. I bet Sheryl shut stream soon. Why? Why? What happened? Sir Fred. Right on. Yeah, something like that. I need to call my hubby. Sure, a lot of kids there. Looks like a big happy family. Yes, has happy big family here. Sir Kim. Sorry, should read your shore. Huh? What? Sorry, I should read your shore. What is that? What it means? He meant to say sure, lots of kids. Yeah, yeah. Ano ba naman daw yun? Not share. Okay. Okay. Sure, a lot of kids there looks. Okay. Sorry. Sure, a lot of kids there looks. I am. Thank you, Sir Fred. I'm sorry, I need to end the live for now. Is Mom Sheryl? Yeah. I need to end the live now. Thank you so much for joining. Love you all. God bless. Bye bye.